Do you want to learn how to use the first conditional correctly in your English sentences? Then let's go through the steps one by one to make it easy for you to use the first conditional better than anyone. You will be a conditional master. I'm Kristin, an ESL online teacher for adults, and my goal this year is to share English with as many people as possible. So please help me reach my goals by liking, commenting, sharing, and most importantly, subscribing to my channel if you think any of my lessons are helpful. It will really help me out. I like to teach in a relaxed way, so grab a cup of coffee or tea, get a drink, and let's get to work on the first conditional. The first conditional, also called the future real conditional, uses the word if to talk about a realistic action that might lead to a result in the future. It is made up of two parts: the if likely action using the present simple tense, and the future result using the future simple tense. Here's the formula: if plus present simple, and then will plus infinitive. More simply stated, you create a sentence using if, and you are talking about an action that is likely to happen in the near future. It is possible that it may come true. For example, if I save enough money, I will buy a new car. It's possible for you to save money because maybe you have a good job and you need a car, so this sentence is correct to be said in the first conditional. If I save enough money, check, you have a job. I will buy a new car. Check, I need a car and it is possible for me to afford one. Don't forget to put the comma between the two clauses when you start the sentence with the if clause. If it rains, I'll stay home tomorrow. The clauses can be switched and you can say it as I'll stay home tomorrow if it rains. This way, the comma isn't needed between the two clauses. Here are a few more examples. If it snows, I'll go skiing. I'll go skiing if it snows. If we travel to London, we'll visit Big Ben. We'll visit Big Ben if we travel to London. I'll buy a new suit if I get the job interview. If I get the job interview, I'll buy a new suit. Will you wash the dishes if I cook? If I cook, will you wash the dishes? Can you think of any other sentences or questions? If you think of one, will you put it in the comments? And I just used the first conditional. We can also use the word unless instead of if in a first conditional sentence. Unless is used as a replacement for the if clause and is not used in the future part of the sentence. Unless you study more, you will fail your test next week. If you don't study more, you will fail your test next week. Only use unless as a replacement for if when your future result depends on the likely action not happening. It has a negative idea to it. Here's another example. I'll be angry unless he returns my new book soon. If he doesn't return my book soon, I will be angry. If he does return my book soon, then I will not be angry. So the unless means I will only be angry if he does not return the book. Give it a try using this unless example. Finish the sentence for me. I will be mad at her unless she does what? Put your answer in the comments. I talked about the zero conditional in an earlier video, so if you want to review that, then please check it out. I also put the link in the description box below. And please Subscribe if you don't want to miss learning about the second and the third conditionals coming up next. Now you've mastered the first conditional. Well done. For an opportunity to practice using it more, join my exclusive Facebook group by clicking the link in the box below. We'd be happy to see you there. Never stop learning and have a wonderful week.